community helpers. They are also live with us. Okay? Just like teachers, teaches you, postman brings letters for you, farmers grows crops, and the chair wears decks, the polishers make the carpenter make that. Okay? So today we will read some helpers names and their work. Okay? The first helper, fireman. Always fireman put out the fire. Okay? Teacher, teachers are many. Just like so many helpers are here, 9 helpers are here. Among them, I will teach you now 5 helpers and their work. You have to choose and you have to choose and you have to say their name. Okay, are you all ready? Are you all ready? Yes. So, I will tell you who put up the fire. Very good. Hold it. Who is he? Very nice. Good. Teacher. Oh, very nice. Brings letters for you. Look at this. Which helper brings letters for you? Who is he? Fireman. Who is he? Person. Who brings letters for you? Who brings letters for you? Don't say. Who brings letters for you? Who is he? Very good. Tell me who brings letters for you? Who makes for you puzzle? Who makes polishes for you? Carpenter. Very good. So, Sujeka, who teaches you? Who teaches you? The cloud name who teaches you? Oh, very good. Who weaves crops for you? That farmer. Is the? Very good. We see? Okay, very good. Teacher. Letters for you, letters are. Who brings letters for you? Hold it, beta. And show the picture. Who is he? Who is he? Very good. And here, put up the fire. Fireman. Very good. Pragya, who brings letters for you? Who is he? Who is he? First? Very good. Postman. What teaches you? Teacher. Okay. Mummy, who makes polishes for you? Where is the carpenter? Very good. Good. Crops for you? Farmer. Where is the farmer? Is a? Very good. Teacher. Good. Okay, Aryan, who put up the fire? Who is he? Very good, fireman. Here, who brings letters for you? Who put up? Postman, don't say. Very good. Who makes polishes for you? Who makes? Who is he? Who is he? Carpenter. Who is he? Teacher. Who is he? Okay. Just who brings letters for you? Postman. Who is he? Okay, good job. Oh, tell me who keeps crops for you? Who is he? Who is he? Look at the camera. Who is he? Farmer. Okay. Who teaches this? Teacher. Where is the teacher? Find out where is the teacher. This one teacher? No, this one teacher. This one a teacher? Honey, yes. So hold it and say teacher. Okay. For you, is the postman. No, this is a teacher. This is a postman. Say postman gives letters. Okay. Subbalakshmi, who gives crops for you? Who gives crops for you? Farmer. Hold it. He's a farmer. Who is he? Farmer. Who is he? Farmer. Farmer. Very nice. Fireman. Tell me, who put up the fire? Where is the fireman? This one fireman. This is fireman. This is fireman. He is fireman. Yes. Hold it and say fireman. Okay. Tell me, who teaches us? Who teaches us? Teacher. Okay, who is teacher? Who is a teacher? Who put up the fire? Where is the fireman? He is a very good. Who makes furniture for us? Carpenter. Where is the carpenter? Okay. Tell me, who makes furniture for us? Carpenter. Where is the carpenter? Okay. He is a carpenter. Very good. So who brings